some city, air and city noises. Now this is the location this is in is it's near the West Village. This is a little set off though, so you're not going to really hear a lot of noise in general here, which I personally like. But it is nice to just kind of open the window and see what it's like. Also, you do have this wall over here. This wall, there's nothing preventing you from having, pretty much using this whole wall for space. So you've got a very large dresser. This is an imposing large dresser, but frankly, because the walls are so tall and you got so much space here to work with here, it works. So you really could put almost anything over here. And then you've got this beautiful mirror, and there's your ceiling fan. Okay, cool. So let's walk into the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom. Oh, nice. Okay, I really like those are, I guess, 16-inch tiles. They're huge. I really, really like those. They're really pretty. I'm going to walk in, and the closet has a good amount of space. It is a walk-in, so I walk in, and I've taken about, I don't know, 1.5, 2 steps. So I can walk in. I do like that there's a large amount of shelves in here. So the shelves look good. And these are good shelves. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece shelf that's there. That's good. And then you've got some on the side too. So plenty of space there. That's all good. I have a feeling this is washer dryer, and it is. Nice. So the washer dryer is here, ready to go. These are Whirlpool. So, and then it's got shelves in here too. So great bathroom. We're gonna walk a little bit more. We're gonna look at the countertops. The countertops are a granite, looks like, and then it's kind of a creamy yellow, brownish granite countertop with the same brown cabinets. And then here's the mirror that's over there, and here's your light so you can see. And then, oh, this is kind of cool too. I like it that it's the tub and shower, but I like it that it's you see it's got that little overhang that's like that, and it kind of hides the inside there. I kind of like it. I don't know how to describe that, but that's really, really cool. Anything to add on this, Chase?
Other than is a garden style tub, we do have tall shower heads. If you are a taller person, it's beneficial to you.
Perfect.
But we also have a pretty good amount of storage in here with the medicine cabinet, and then all the underneath storage as well. So hopefully you won't be hurting for space.
No, I don't feel that you would at all. Okay, so this is a recap. So we're over there is your bedroom. You do have washer dryer. And we're walking out of your bathroom. This is the view from your bathroom. You've got your kitchen here. You've got that incredible built-in work office desk that's there. So that's good. And then we're just walking through the kitchen one more time. And then here is your living room. Again, tons of space, tons of wall space. So, and there's nothing restricting you from putting all sorts of, whatever size-wise you want to fit in there. So it's just a great floor plan. All right, let's go. We're going to go to the 2-bedroom model and see it, and can't wait.